Today we talk about how can you choose rate types on your over app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click on account, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click here on settings. So when you just click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. Just scrolling down here. So until you will find here safety preferences, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. You're scrolling down here. Click here on some rates. Just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. And here you choose rate types here in this list. If you want to add like night or bar into restaurant or weekends, click on confirm, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.